Okay, let's do the orchard rundown. So this is about the flower. This is the Mexicola Grande. Got flowers pushing. This one is not pushing yet. This is the fantastic white sapote, gardenia, white sapote, gardenia. One of them's frost-proof. I think this one's frost-proof. And one of them is another Miami Supreme. I forget. Not Miami Supreme. Okay, this guy is the Joey. No flowers. I don't think those are flower buds. This guy is Mexicola, and that's pushing flowers or new growth. I can't tell which right now. That's Poncho. Sorry, not Mexicola. Another white sapote. This one had flowers this year. No fruit set. Doesn't look like any fruit set. This is the Skinner mulberry, I think. Graft is kind of weird looking, but it has some fruit. Might actually pick some of that off. Loquat, beauty berry, loquat. So what I tried to do was tree, shrub, tree. So this one I didn't leave any room for shrubs. So I don't know. I was on a gardenia kick for this is a blind area. It's supposed to be for the blind, so I was trying to make the smell a little better for when blind people visit. Gonna do a ministry for the blind. So I got on a last minute kick for gardenias. This is the Bruce Plum. I hope. A hybrid plum. Okay, we got coral bean. This is an apple. This is the Anna right here in this spot. Doesn't want to lose all its leaves yet. So here's the Skinner mulberry. This is the rootstock. It has not, it sent up a sucker. I'm leaving it to maybe graft it to something else. It has not leafed out yet, so it knows not to wake up. So it's interesting. So I might be grafting this to something else. That was kind of the point of leaving the rootstock, was just so I don't have two Skinners. I have something else. This is a persimmon. If you can even tell that I'm going to graft later. This is a it's supposed to be like a upright form of bottle brush. So here we go. This is a UF 315-51X39. I don't know if that's the rootstock. Sorry, I just watered. I think this is a mandarin hybrid that I've had for actually a couple of years, and I just planted it here. It's supposed to be greening tolerant. This is a persimmon graft that's not doing too great. Got some sort of bug. Looks like a bug. So this was on an American rootstock. This is a Caluso firebush. Gets a real pretty fall color. Tropic sweet apple. Trying to make it lose its leaves so it knows to go to sleep. This is a special It's supposed to be kind of dwarfing, we'll see, wax myrtle. No clue if it's a male or a female. We'll find out together. Nothing online. Dorset apple. Got Anna Dorset tropic sweet. Banana shrub. About to bloom. Looks like it's about to bloom. And last but not least, we got the Scarlet Beauty plum. Just starting to flower. Okay, that's a little orchard update at the first week of January. Anyways, so my thought is you got some canopy trees to kind of protect for the sun for the little bit. These, I've noticed Mexican avocados, the newly grafted ones, have real problems with sun exposure. The white sapotes would do better in full sun, but they don't have much, zero coverage up top. So wintertime's gonna be an issue. So I know I don't have as much sun to the south end. So things that need more sun, I'm leaving there. And then you're gonna have this 3-story building blocking some in the summer. So there won't be much sun here either in the summer. So that area, I try to do the full sun plants, even though I think the banana shrub would do better in partial shade. And then the things that need a little less sun to the south. So the fajoa, or the loquats, can deal with a little bit of shade. So we'll see. And then summertime, this will be like full sun all over. So we'll see how these guys do. The avocados, that's the ones I'm worried about for the full sun in the summer. And the loquats probably need a little more sun. I think they got enough. It's kind of like a dappled shade, so I think they'll produce. And then the apples and plums will get lots of sun for the summer harvest. So we'll see. This is all an experiment. This is terrible soil. Pure sugar sand, hardly any organic matter. So we're gonna hopefully build that up over time with just leaf mulch. And then, okay, last spot, I'm gonna put bananas in this low area. So we'll see in the low spot. But I don't think it'll, even if it floods, it's so sandy, I don't even think the flood will affect it because there's so little organic matter. There's a lot of organic matter, and you, oh, speaking of, let's see what's coming back. So, what's this tree? So this was a huge black cherry right here, and I told them to actually cut it a little shorter. This is a, what's it called? Sorry. It's a native tree that is dying from laurel wilt, and it's related. It's like a very close relative to the Mexican avocados. Red bay. Why did I not think of that earlier? So that's a red bay. So I'm hoping this does better. They took the vines off of it. So it looks like it's got a dead branch up there. So we'll see. Laurel wilt's killing everything. Everything. So I don't have too high hopes for this guy or these avocados. I got a feeling laurel wilt will kill them. All the red bays in my neighborhood are dyed. So it's unfortunate. But I drive by, and every month I see a new red bay dying from laurel wilt. So these are like literally kissing cousins. If you look at the red bay fruit, it's like a mini avocado. It's like this was an avocado humans developed by breeding it up over time, over thousands of years. Humans are whatever in the, things that ate it in the in Mexico. And this guy was what birds ate for thousands of years. So they're so similar in the way their leaves are. Their leaves smell the same. The way they grow, their bark. The only difference is the fruit on this guy is really small, and the fruit on this guy is really large for us. So that guy's for the birds. This guy's for the humans. So, okay. Anyways, there's my rant on red bay and laurel wilt and all the dead trees I see in the neighborhood. So I don't have high hopes for the avocados, but we'll see. Anyways, signing off.